Warning: always pump your brakes after any brake service performed on any vehicle. Stay to the end to see the shocking and dangerous discovery of the passenger brakes. Welcome back guys to Steven's DIY Auto Repair. Today we're going to be doing a front brake change on a 2003 Chevy Silverado. So let's get to it. So we're going to go ahead and take this wheel off and get in there to the brakes. So I'll bring you guys right back. Alright guys, so once you get the wheel off, you have two pins. You have one here and you have one here on the bottom. And those are going to take a hex bit. And those are going to take a hex bit T55. So you're going to go ahead and break those loose. We already did. And we're just going to take them off. So once I get this off, I'll bring you guys right back. Okay guys, so we got the caliper safely placed up top where it's not hanging by the brake line. And we went ahead and took off the pads. So they just pop out. We're going to take these retaining clips out, give it a nice little clean, pop the new brakes on. So I'll bring you back once I've done that. Okay guys, so we got our clips in place. We have our new brake pad. So we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of brake grease to the backing and to the metal contact points so they slide easily and don't create any kind of friction or noise. And then we're going to go ahead and pop them on and get everything tightened back down. So I'll bring you guys right back. Okay guys, so we got the pads on and all lubed up and ready to go. So I found it best if you just put it like this and just slide it in. It pops right in. And then we have no noise when we rotate the hub, so we're good to go. So now we're gonna press in the brake calipers and put it back on. So I'll bring you guys right back. All right guys, so we got the caliper back on and you wanna clean your guide pins and also put some more new grease on them. So we're going to use the same caliper grease and put some here and some here. You don't want to put it on the threads, but we're going to put it in here. So we're going to go ahead and bolt this back on. All right guys, we got the guide pins back in, and as long as it can do that, you're good. You want it to be able to move smoothly on that guide pin. Rotate the drum or disc and no noise. So there you go. Let's pop this wheel back on and call it a day. And there you have it guys. That is how you change front brakes on a 2003 Chevy Silverado. Pretty simple guys. So remember, pump your brakes before attempting to drive your vehicle. Pump those brakes guys. So I hope you liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And always guys, subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. Until next time guys, have a good one. This is the passenger side inner brake pad, completely wore down to the metal, causing metal on metal contact with the rotor. Here is the rotor, completely eaten up by the worn brake pad, causing metal on metal contact.